Hey traders, so in this video I'm going to go through how to log into your Rithmic account. For now we only have Rithmic accounts, so that's what I'm going to show you. So first of all, you're going to see this screen right here. You'll have to copy your username and paste it. Now I'm going to copy and paste my password. All we have to do is select the broker. There's going to be a lot more here soon. And then the server that you want to select. See, we've got a whole bunch of servers there. And then you hit the login button. And now you're all logged in. See you guys in the next video.